How to prepare fresh and healthy green gram sprouts in home. Take 100 grams green gram. Soak it in fresh water for 12 hours. Overnight. Drain excess water after 12 hours. Take a vessel with holes in it. Spread a wet white cloth over the vessel. Close the wet cloth with soaked green gram. Covered the vessel with a plastic wrap. Cover it with a thick cloth to create a dark room effect. Leave it as it is for 24 hours. After 24 hours, day 2. Open the cloth and check for the initial day 2 sprouts. Wash it in clean water and drain excess water. Day 2 sprouted root. Continue the same sealing procedure and keep it as it is for another 24 hours. After 24 hours. Day 3. Open the cloth and check for the day 3 sprouts. Wash it in clean water and drain excess water. Continue the same sealing procedure and keep it as it is for another 24 hours. After 24 hours. Day 4. Open the cloth and check for the day 4 final sprouts. Wash it in clean water and drain excess water. Green gram whole is often given to people recovering from an illness, especially a stomach upset. It clears toxins from body and helps to lose weight. It prevents breast cancer and diabetes. Spread the sprouts in a clean dry cloth and leave it for 20 minutes. It is used to make salads, soups, and other delicious dishes. Whole green gram sprouts can be soaked in water and make it as paste to prepare dosa or uttappams. After 20 minutes, collect the sprouts in a dry vessel. Our homemade green gram sprouts are ready to use. Preserve it in an airtight container and it can be used for next 7 days. We can yield 200 grams sprouts in 100 grams green gram. Market price of 200 grams sprouts is approximately rupees 100. But in just rupees 10. We can make it in home. Feel free to post your valuable thoughts in comments section. Share this recipe video with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, subscribe Ammis Kitchen now. Thanks for watching. Ammis Kitchen. Do subscribe Ammis Kitchen for more videos.